you rather fail during extraction than fail during contraction. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and this is my success principle for today. The idea is pretty simple. You should always strive to progress forward. The retreaters who give up will never be recognized for their failures, but people who push out, people who made themselves attractive, people who are known for pushing it towards the rejection, that it will not be rejection in many cases, but you can come to acceptance through this rejection. Because how many times you need to be rejected to be accepted? How many times you need to go forward and extract yourself and put yourself out on social media, tell your friends about your product to be accepted? Because few of them will believe in your vision, few of them will love you, few of them will like you. The other ones who don't like you will not like you anyway. Because you can't say something wrong to the right person. They will always try to support you. They will always give you your best. So you rather fail when you are extracting, when you are telling the world about you, when you speak. Don't be negative, obviously. You need to try always provide the value. So when they accept you, you will progress. But you should never contract. Even when the recession comes, you shouldn't squeeze yourself and save, and you shouldn't retreat, you shouldn't go back. So what you need to do is push toward what you are going to and tell the world about it. Say hi to the person that you meet and talk, have a conversation and introduce them to your ideas. So that's the success principle for today. Always extract and expand. Tell the world your story.